There are days when you're unable to step outside. Times when you are unsure if you could breathe the air outdoors. Imagine a bird that helps you be prepared. A bird that is your personal companion. A bird you can keep forever. Introducing BOT, the bird of tomorrow. BOT accompanies you everywhere, so you are sure of your surroundings.
Smog alert, please wear a mask. Smog alert, please wear a mask.
BOT helps you find people around, so you don't miss out on making social contact.
Human has been detected. Human has been detected.
BOT also helps you stay connected when you don't wish to venture out.
Message from location 192.168.
BOT, the bird of tomorrow, to help you be certain today.